Good morning, Monday, everybody. And today is Monday questions and answers from the weekend. And Greg had a question from this weekend. And Greg's question is, Greg in Eugene asks, why should I use a realtor to buy an investment property? So Greg's a real estate investor in Eugene, Springfield, and he simply wants to know, why would you use a realtor to buy a piece of property? And my simple answer is you should not use a real estate agent to buy a piece of investment property. So that sounds confusing because I am a real estate agent myself at the Operative Group. So let me back up and explain a little bit. You should not use a real estate agent to buy an investment piece of property if they don't own a portfolio themselves. And what I mean by that is, how would an agent know what a good deal is? How would an agent know how a piece of investment grade real estate would fit into another investor's portfolio if they don't own a portfolio themselves? You need to know everything about a piece of property. You need to know the business of real estate. You need to know how to manage a portfolio. And you can't, as an agent, give advice to another investor on why they should or should not buy a piece of property if you don't own it yourself. You need to have that portfolio. You need to manage that portfolio yourself. You need to understand the numbers and the metrics that go into what a good deal is. Greg, we use what we call an APOD on every investment property. APOD is an annual property operating data spreadsheet, which is a spreadsheet that we built in-house for our own portfolio. And I'm happy to walk you or anybody else through an APOD. Just comment below. I'll send you the APOD spreadsheet. I will walk you through the instructions on how to fill that out. Key metrics that we look for on the property are what the current income is, what the potential income could be, all the operating expenses, the timeline, the location of the property, what kind of goals you are trying to achieve with this piece of property to fit into your portfolio. And other things that we look at that are super important are, what is the highest and best use of that property? What is the vision for that property? What's the expandability? What's the zoning? At the end of the day, we need to know everything there is about the piece of property. Case in point, I'm looking at a property right here for an investor. At the end of the day, you should be able to look at your agent and say to me, Ed, would you buy this property or not? If I say no, then why the heck would I want you to buy it? It's not about collecting a commission check. It's about how I can help you get from point A to point B to achieve your goals. And if I'm not willing to buy the property myself, then why would I expect you to buy it? So if you have any questions, put them in the comments below. If you would like a spreadsheet for our APOD, put them in the comments below. I will walk you through one-on-one how to evaluate a property and what that would look like, and I'll even give you the spreadsheet. At the end of the day, it's about helping you achieve your goals as another investor and how I can be of service to you. If you have any questions, again, like always, put them in the comments below and I will reach out to you. Have an amazing Monday, and if you have any questions for next week, put them in the comments below.